Alrighty. Today I'm gonna show y'all what I saw today using some indicators. You don't need the indicators, but I just use it with the market structure, with price action and market structure. I'm gonna just show y'all my indicators. This one is pivot highs and lows. It's literally this. There's nothing, no one. I think it's just by trading view. Then the VWAP auto anchored. These are my first two. The settings, pretty simple. I erased the background because I don't like that. I don't know, too much. Simple. Then VWAP, I have it like this, auto, like this. Uh, I leave it like this, nothing else. Then I have this ICT sessions. It's just basically the highs and lows of the sessions. Asian session high and London high low. Let me see the settings. Asian 20 to 2. You can do this too. Like I would have gone alert right here, which you can see. Okay, I'll show you in a bit. Anyways. I keep these like this. These are my settings. Valeria? That's where I heard a dog. That was Babon. Anyways, I'm gonna continue. What was that thing? Okay. And this is my session. This is another indicator. I mean, sounds like a dog, man. Okay, so this one this indication is just open, high, low, close of the previous day. Well, it's not just the previous day, but any candle you want. I use it for the daily mostly, just to know what the daily direction is going. But it's really up to you how you want to use this one. You can use 4 hour, 8 hour, see what's going on. Let's see, literally, and that's the high of it. And yeah, I didn't know that. I usually keep it at the daily, just to know. And then let's see, this one. Oh shoot, no, okay. So my settings for this, the higher time frame, is just this. So I could be on the 5 minute and have the 4 hours, so I could just see it easier. Or the 1 hour. I usually use the 1 hour. Or each one has different like levels or range that breaks. So you'll see what I'm talking about. But these are my settings. These are kill zone sessions. Apparently shows. I don't really understand this. The version levels are basically like candles that are broke. It's just the way that Navi trades does it. I don't know. I don't pay attention to that. It's showing chart so you can see the red lines and blue lines. Historical levels, I'm not sure about that. Okay, yeah, the history of the previous ones. I don't really do the golden hour. I'm not sure about that. I just leave this one. I was gonna take it off, but it's up to you how you want to do it. But that's how I use it. These are my settings for this, and then now I'm gonna show you how I see it. So I mean, the VWAP is just basically for to see what's going on. It's the volume weighted average price auto anchored. Um, you can just see like once volume starts kicking, you can see where it started just following the green line. Then once it started getting like exhausted and like there's not enough buyers to just stop following it, start breaking it. It didn't want to break this, so we're going down. It basically broke it, break it, continued, kept on doing it. Then here it just didn't want to fucking go below it and close below it. There's a lot of buyers here, which was obviously also the previous day high is right here, and they just straight up bounced up, and also it's below the green line, so that's whenever you usually look for buys. And if it's above the green line, you have to like usually look for sales, but depends on how the price is moving. Like right here, I'll show you in a bit. Then the session highs, you can see that the main purpose for that. Hey, you can see it. Had top step open. Okay, anyways, um, you see in London it got swept and just correct. It was below the green line too, so you see a break, you get corrected. Continue. That's during 5 in the morning. If you're up that time, you can see you can literally do you trade at any time. It just depends how you see the markets in my opinion. But this is like chop, but you can still see it's going down. So what I saw today, I was on the 1 hour chart. I saw that it indicated, corrected, and continued. I mean, you can see it below also. Um, I could go on the replay. Let me see if that's me. Like right here. So let me just do it right here. Then go on a 30 minute, because that's lower than 1 hour. You see that's also kind of somewhat what I was saying. But it also happened below that before that happened. Like right here. Indicated, corrected, and continue. I see that it didn't want to close right here above it, but didn't have enough momentum, so it needed some correction before we continued again. And that is, let's see where it happened. So right here was a high, went down. But yeah, that was also an entry if you think about it. Started closing above. Literally closed once, twice, above, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and all of them corrected to this line. So I mean that's how volatile gold is. But you can see these lows, they respected it. Also kind of the same for shorting, but you just have to keep in mind that these lows are like basically resistance and support and resistance. I mean, and with that happened, so it was indication, correction, continuation. That's what I saw, and I traded that. Then just kept on going. Then I mean, this is where it broke right here, where initial broke. But it also indicated right here, corrected and continued. But did it also before with 30 minute? You could tell you. Oh, you saw that. That's where it like started. But people also keep in mind where it had broke before. So like right here, it was there was like a lot of momentum here. It started going up. They didn't want to make a lower low. So I mean, we're bullish for sure. And it just kept doing that. I made a higher low, higher low, higher low. Right here, higher low again. And right here is the indication, correction, continuation also, which you can't see it that far right now. I don't see it. But see it play out. I had my stop like I probably entered somewhere. I remember entering a bit late because my shit was not letting me open, like right here. But then I got stopped out right here somewhere because of this. which I shouldn't have moved my stop loss. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I still took profits. I'm definitely proud of that. Can't complain. And I just kept on breaking, breaking, and breaking. That's where we're at right now. But that's how I see it. Got to use the indicators from Navi trades. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but yeah, up to y'all if y'all want to use them. It's just like just marks it out for me, so I don't really have to mark it out myself. But market structure and price action is a way to go, man.